Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should just open the notification panel, and here on the right upper corner you'll see the edit icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here, we got the up section and the down section. Here we can see all the icons that they are visible on our notification panel, and this down section with the icons that you can just add to your notification panel. And just to add one from this icon to your notification bar, tap here on the plus on the right upper corner of your icon, and as can you see, they're just here right now on our notification panel. And if you will just tap to down, you will find these new icons here. They are visible. And just to remove the icons from the notification panel by this way, just tap on the same way, just tap on the red minus icons, and as can you see, that's really simple. Also, you can change the position of the icons. Just hold for a while the icon and, for example, drag it here, or for example, if you want to just put here hotspot on the first like a first icon, you can just make it by this way. And now just here tap to down to save all the changes, and as can you see, we got here the change our notification panel shortcuts. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.